Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mercy Nongera Channel. May the good God bless you all wherever you live. It is a beautiful place anywhere you are living. May the good God bless you, provide you all your needs. Be happy. Love your wife, love your husband, love your family. Take good care of them. Thanks for sharing me out to your friends and family. I cannot do it alone. I cannot upload video and be watching it alone. Thanks for sharing me, the hands that you used to share me out. May the good God bless that hand for you. Oh my good God of heaven, thanks everyone, thanks for sharing me out to your friends and family, for continuing watching my video. I love you all. My channel is monetized, guys. Feel free to be part of my membership. May the good God bless your pocket. Today I will be eating ogbono soup, amala. Amala is one of the best Nigeria foods. For who don't know amala, amala is made of dry plantain. It's made of dry plantain. So today, this is my mukbang. No talking, no. I will be eating without talking. Let me pray without wasting much of your time. I'm very, very hungry so that I can start enjoying my delicious ogbono soup with amala. Amen. May the good God provide for everyone. I have finished I have finished the amala. Thanks everyone for watching my video. I love you all with the love of God. It's very delicious. The perfume of the amala, oh my God. I love you all.